Welcome back to the channel. Today we'll be taking a look at the 7 SUVs that last forever with basic maintenance. Number 7. Acura MDX. The Acura MDX has built a reputation as one of the most durable and reliable SUVs you can buy. In 2025, prices for the base model start around $38,000, while fully loaded trims reach close to $49,000. That might seem steep initially, but when you consider that many of these SUVs easily cross 200,000 miles with basic maintenance, the long-term value becomes clear. Owners report minimal major repairs even after a decade on the road, keeping yearly upkeep costs relatively low. Routine services like oil changes, brake work, and timing belt jobs stay reasonable, typically $300 to $500 for brakes and about $1,000 for a timing belt. This predictability in costs is a major reason people hold onto their MDX for 10 years or more. The MDX's structure and drivetrain are also highly reliable. Basic maintenance keeps the suspension, cooling system, and electrical components performing well, avoiding common issues that trouble other SUVs. Combined with strong resale value, low unexpected repair bills, and longevity, the 2025 Acura MDX proves itself as a practical choice for anyone looking for a dependable SUV that lasts. Number 6. Subaru Forester. The Subaru Forester has long been recognized for its dependability and practical ownership costs. In 2025, the base Forester starts around $27,000, with higher trims climbing toward $36,000. These numbers are reasonable for a compact SUV that regularly surpasses 200,000 miles with standard maintenance. Owners frequently report consistent performance and low repair bills, often keeping annual upkeep under $500 if routine checks like oil changes, brake pads, and fluid replacements are performed on schedule. Many drivers see trouble-free operation past 250,000 miles, and replacement parts are affordable and widely available. Common maintenance tasks, such as brake service or minor engine adjustments, rarely exceed a few $100s, making the Forester a predictable vehicle to own over time. The suspension and key drivetrain components remain solid when basic service intervals are followed, reducing the likelihood of expensive repairs. For 2025, the Subaru Forester stands as a solid option for anyone wanting a long-lasting SUV with manageable costs and proven reliability. Number 5. Toyota RAV4. The Toyota RAV4 has earned a strong reputation for reliability and long-term value. In 2025, the starting price for a base RAV4 is around $26,000, while higher trims reach about $37,000. These prices are balanced by the SUV's ability to easily surpass 200,000 miles with regular maintenance, keeping unexpected repair costs low. Many owners report yearly upkeep below $500 when performing basic services like oil changes, brake replacements, and fluid checks. Drivers frequently see engines running smoothly past 250,000 miles, and replacement parts remain widely available and reasonably priced. Routine services such as brake pads, belts, and filters are generally affordable, helping owners avoid costly surprises over the vehicle's lifetime. The RAV4's body and core components are designed for durability. With basic maintenance, the suspension, cooling system, and drivetrain remain reliable for years, making it a low-stress SUV to own. Combined with Toyota's strong resale value, predictable upkeep costs, and proven track record, the 2025 RAV4 continues to be a smart choice for anyone seeking a dependable and long-lasting SUV. Number 4. Lexus RX. The Lexus RX is known for combining luxury with exceptional reliability. In 2025, the base RX starts around $46,000, while fully equipped trims can reach close to $58,000. While the price is higher than many midsize SUVs, owners benefit from a vehicle that routinely surpasses 200,000 miles with only standard maintenance, keeping long-term costs predictable. Annual upkeep for basic services like oil changes, brake replacements, and fluid checks usually stays under $600. Many drivers report smooth operation well past 250,000 miles, and replacement parts are easy to source with reasonable labor costs. Routine maintenance, including brake work and minor engine servicing, tends to be straightforward and affordable, supporting the RX's reputation for low-stress ownership. The RX's frame and drivetrain are engineered to last. Following simple maintenance schedules keeps suspension, cooling, and other core components performing reliably for years. Strong resale value and consistent long-term performance make the 2025 Lexus RX an appealing option for buyers seeking a dependable SUV that balances comfort, reliability, and predictable ownership costs. Number 3. Toyota 4Runner. The Toyota 4Runner has built a reputation for toughness and long-term reliability. In 2025, base models start around $37,000, while higher trims can reach about $48,000. Many owners report these SUVs easily surpassing 200,000 miles with only routine maintenance, keeping yearly costs predictable and low. Standard upkeep such as oil changes, brake replacements, and fluid checks typically stays under $500 per year. Drivers frequently report smooth operation past 250,000 miles, and replacement parts remain readily available at reasonable prices. Routine maintenance like brake work, belts, and filters is straightforward and cost-effective, contributing to the 4Runner's reputation as a low-stress SUV to own. The 4Runner's body-on-frame construction and durable drivetrain components make it exceptionally resilient. Following basic maintenance schedules keeps suspension, cooling, and core systems running reliably for years. With strong resale value, low unexpected repair costs, and proven durability, the 2025 Toyota 4Runner remains one of the most dependable midsize SUVs available. Number 2. Honda CR-V. The Honda CR-V has quietly become one of the most dependable and affordable SUVs for long-term ownership. In 2025, the base model starts around $29,000, while higher trims climb toward $38,000. Many CR-Vs regularly exceed 200,000 miles with just routine maintenance, keeping annual repair costs low, often under $500 for standard services like oil changes, brake replacements, and fluid checks. Drivers frequently report trouble-free performance past 250,000 miles, and replacement parts are widely available and reasonably priced. Routine maintenance such as brakes, belts, and filters is simple, making the CR-V predictable and low-stress to own over the long term. The CR-V's suspension and drivetrain are designed for lasting reliability. Following basic upkeep schedules ensures the SUV maintains strong performance year after year. Combined with solid resale value and minimal unexpected repairs, the 2025 Honda CR-V proves itself as a practical and long-lasting choice for anyone seeking an SUV that stays dependable while keeping costs manageable. Number 1. Toyota Land Cruiser. The Toyota Land Cruiser has earned a legendary reputation for durability and long-term reliability. In 2025, prices start around $85,000, with higher trims climbing toward $95,000. While the initial cost is high, owners benefit from an SUV that routinely surpasses 300,000 miles with only basic maintenance, making it one of the most dependable vehicles in its class. Annual upkeep for routine services like oil changes, brake work, and fluid checks generally stays under $700, keeping ownership predictable. Many owners report smooth operation past 300,000 miles with minimal major repairs, and parts remain widely available through dealerships and independent shops. Standard maintenance, including brake replacements and fluid service, is straightforward and reasonably priced relative to the vehicle's size and capability. With strong resale value, predictable upkeep costs, and proven durability, the 2025 Toyota Land Cruiser continues to be an exceptional SUV for anyone looking for a vehicle that lasts and holds its value over the long term. And with this, we have reached the end of this video. Make sure to like it and subscribe the channel for future upcoming videos.